they have a different types of legs with sharp claws, and they use their claw to pitch the on branch and stretch the ground and hold their and hold their and hold their food. Birds lay eggs. Got it, children? So they have a different types of legs with a sharp claws. They use their claws to press on branch. Means they use their uh, the finger of the leg, that is the pair of that claw that they are using for to press on the branch. They are holding on the branch. See, as you can see that they can stand on the thin branches. Okay, but they are not falling down small on the wires, because they can hold that branch and wires tightly that they cannot fall, and stretch the ground to find out the insects. Okay, small insects. And they mostly, the birds, they lay. Got it? Now it's about the wings of the bird. So birds have a special feature that help them fly. Okay, that help them to fly. They fly with the help of wings that are attached to their body and have strong flight muscle. Means uh, the wings they are using, that is attached by the flight muscle, and that is too strong. It cannot break easily. So that is why they can fly so high. Got it? And these muscles help them move their wings up and down. Wings are covered with feathers. Birds have a boat-shaped body. See the shape of the uh, birds. They have a boat-shaped body, and that help them easily to fly in the air. Got it? That help them easily to fly in the air. Got it, children? Now, their bones are hollow, which make them light. Means their bones that is are empty. We can say that empty, and that is hollow, very light in a way. Their weights are very light. The birds which can fly. Got it? Few birds which cannot fly, like ostrich, they can run. Penguins, okay, they cannot fly. Okay, so now see here. All birds have wings and feathers that help at a different height and cover different distance. That help them to fly at a different height and different distance. So birds like crane, red canots, and parrot fly long distance. Peacock hens fly short distance. Eagle with stork and vulture fly very high in the sky. Sparrow, pinnacle, and bulbuls fly low. Not all the birds that have wings and feathers can fly. Some birds such as kiwi, penguin, emu, and ostrich cannot fly. Why? Because they have heavy bodies and weak flight muscles. That is why they cannot fly, because of their heavy weight of their body. And the flight muscle is also weak. That is why they cannot fly in the sky. Now, feathers. Got it? The body of a bird is covered with feather, which gives shape and make the birds colorful. As you can see the different color of the feathers, the birds, like us only, we are also using a cloth, but the God has given them a feather, different color of feathers. They are covered with the feathers, which make them beautiful. Okay, now feathers are of three types: body feather, down feather, and flight feather. The feathers are three types, that is body feather, flight down feather, and flight feather. So what is body feather? Body feather, that is cover the body to give it shape, that is the body feather. Now down feather, a small birds soft and fluffy feathers, that the soft and fluffy feathers that cover their bodies. Very young birds, means the small birds are covered only in down feathers, which trap the body heat and keep them warm. That doesn't allow air to get inside, so it's trapped. Like when we are using a sweater, it's like that. It doesn't allow air to get it inside, and it's make us warm. So that the body temperature is also important for the birds too. That is why this down feather help the birds to keep them warm. Got it? Now, flight feathers. So, help the birds to fly. They are present in wings. They are present in wings and tails of birds and help them to change their direction. While flying, feathers also help birds to swim. Okay, not only for the flying but swimming also they can help. So the feathers of aquatic birds are waterproof. Waterproof, you know, no, like our raincoat. So which prevent them from getting wet. And duck and penguins have what? Such feathers. And the colorful feathers give birds a distinct look, means a different look, beautiful look, also help them to hide from enemy. Got it? So this is about the feathers. There are three types: down feather, uh, flight feathers, and body feathers. So all the types of feathers are very important for the birds. It's helping in a different way. Okay, so down feather give the shape, then sorry, body feather give the shape. Down feather is to cover the body and trap the heat. Okay, body heat. And flight feather help them to fly and swim also. And it's some aquatic birds, means the birds which used to live in water, near the water, they have a waterproof wings, or where they cannot get wet from the water. And duck and penguins have such feathers. You can see the duck, they are mostly, they spend their time in the pond and near the water. So it's very helpful for the duck to have a waterproof feather. Got it, children? So you revise it once, go through the books. Okay, thank you everyone, and next topic we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone.